Hi, welcome to my Vera Bradley review on the new buckle tote. Let's get started. Okay, this is one side. This is the back side. I'm considering it the back side. This is in Heather, their new print for this year. And then we have a faux leather straps with the buckles, 3 holes for adjustability. And then on each side, they have a pin striping. So, yeah, right here, a pin striping in the faux leather, and on this side too. And then they have a faux leather trim along the top of it. And on the bottom, they have the faux leather here with the metal studs for when you go to sit it down. So, now on the front of it, they have a pocket. It's fairly deep, cell phone, keys, whatever's going to be handy when you're out shopping about. And then on the top, we do have a zipper right here, but on the ends there, it's a little open space. Okay, I'll unzip it for you. And it does come apart. Now, inside, I'm going to have to use my flashlight because the lighting's not too good. Is that going to help? Anyway, they have 2 pockets right here and right there. And on the other side, we have, let's see, a zipper compartment right there. And it's very spacious. I just love the print on the inside. It's kind of like a polka dot matching color for the outside. So, this is my review. I really like it. It's not too big, but it's big enough. And I could fit whatever, water bottles, my wallet. I was shopping about. Well, I hope this helped you out. I just love this new Heather. Love it, love it, love it. Thanks for watching. Bye.